welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Olofu and I make YouTube videos. I make videos on here, so if you want to see more related videos, just keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I want to shop.
Let's go straight to this hair. Can you see how this wig is giving scalp? It's giving scalp. So guys, I've been seeing so many DIY braided wig videos on YouTube and I just didn't like what I was seeing, so I decided to invent my own way, because I don't think I've seen anybody do this apart from the people that ventilate the whole lace. Guys, if you look closely, you think I ventilated the whole lace, which I did not. When you watch the rest of the videos, you'll see how I made them. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below more videos you would like me to make, and just like give me suggestions so I can know what content to put out there for you guys. So yeah guys, I'm so grateful that you clicked to watch this video, and if you like what you see, like I said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So guys, I went ahead to use the Crochet extension in color 1, which is black. I'm showing you guys how I was able to achieve the box braid, how I did the measurements. So I'm doing 1 inch by 1 inch, guys. Earlier on I was like, I wanted to do like half an inch by half an inch, but I felt it would be too much work. But I wish I had done that, because I know it would have, the way this hair came out so well, I know it would have come out perfect if I had done the half closure, but that's fine. So I'm just making sure the line is straight, and as you can see, I have already ventilated one side of the lace. So this is the half of the lace I've ventilated already. I'm just showing you guys the pre ventilation of what you see when I'm done. My cousin did not do a great job at being a human tripod, so my apologies for the shaky video, but I hope you guys can actually see the hole and the net properly. So I went ahead to ventilate the side. So as you can see, I left 2 holes in between for the pattern, and I ventilated in the 3rd hole. So I'm ventilating 1 hole, leaving 1 hole empty. I'm ventilating the next hole. So I am also giving a pattern in between each box so that it won't be too bulky. Like, it has to look as natural as possible. That was my goal. And as you can see also here, I'm ventilating in 1 hole, leaving 1 hole empty, and ventilating in the hole after that. So I'm going to do that. I did the first line by the right. Now I'm doing the down part. I'll go ahead to do the one by the left, then fill the box in and come back to talk again. So yeah, as you can see, I've finished. So now I am trying to fill it up. This is practically how I do a closure, a 4x4 closure, a frontal. This is how a frontal is being ventilated. So I tried as much as possible to bring that into this box braid. As you can see, I'm ventilating 1 line, leaving the next line of the hole empty, and ventilating the line after. Guys, it's not that complicated, and trust me, it's not difficult at all. So I'm just going in a vertical motion, and as you can see, I am leaving 1 line empty, then ventilating the next row of the lace. So this is the upper part of the lace. I'm showing you guys how I cover up and how it's still basically the same thing. You just have to make sure the upper part, that's the front part of the lace, is covered, and you make sure that the box is also covered, because I'm not going to ventilate inside the box. So yeah, guys, just take your time. This braided wig took me a week plus, almost 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken, just because I was on it back to back. I had other work to do, but I want to finish this hair before I move on to the next. So once I finish this upper part, I'm going to go ahead to ventilate the right hand side. You can like start from the down part, go to your left, to your right, but I decided to finish the upper part before I continue. So as you can see, this is the braid the pattern is. So I'm just going to plait the hair down so it won't disturb me when I'm ventilating the next box. So this is the last box before I started braiding. It's practically the same process. Yeah, it's the same process. So for the right and left side, I decided to go in like to ventilate 5 holes, then leave the inner side of the box empty. So I ventilated 5 on each side and 5 on the other side, and we're done ventilating. On to braiding now. So this is how the hair looks like after I have done ventilating all the lace, guys. This hair is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving. It's giving. Like I can't say more. I can't say more than that. So this is how your box braid should look like. Not those ones I'm seeing on YouTube. Oh no. So that I've gone ahead to braid one side, guys. I'm using a gel to get the hair to slip down so it won't be coming out, or the hair won't be flying all over the place. So I'm trying to grip the hair very tight so it doesn't like look loose. I think that one of the aspects of braiding, you have to make sure the hair is tight enough so it doesn't look loose. So I am adding the attachment while braiding because I actually wanted the hair long, but not too long because I was trying to manage the hair extension, which is the attachment. I'm showing you guys again how I started the braiding. I'm trying to grip the hair very well. Then I went ahead to add the hair extension. I think I added like 2 or 3 at the top. Then I added like 2, 3 again towards the tip of the braid. So this is how the hair looks like after I had finished braiding the frontal parts of the hair. I went ahead to do the baby hairs on one side. I will still show you guys how I did the baby hair on the other side. So this is the back of the braid before I started braiding, and I'm leaving the tip because I'm going to come back to finish it up. So this is how I take a little piece of the attachment. I use my crochet hook, pass it through the wig cap, pass the hair through the crochet hook through the wig cap. Then I went ahead to take part of the longer attachment, tie it on the already placed attachment. I'm going to tie it, then I start braiding. That's practically how I did mine. You can actually go ahead to pre-braid the hair, then sew it to the wig cap, but this is exactly how I wanted mine to be. So that was what I was working with, and I started braiding. Guys, I'm not an experienced braider. This is how I like to braid, and I make sure I try to detangle as I braid and as I go. Guys, if you're not subscribed up to this point, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Oh. You're not paying for it, so please just click the subscribe button, support your girl, like, share to your friends to come and see this wonders. So this is how it looks like. Oh my goodness, I did that. I really did that. Ah, Can you see the length? Can you see the line? It's giving length. So I am going to go ahead to trim the hair, put it in hot water, and come back to show you guys. Guys, trimming the whole braid is not for the weak. I got tired. I was like, please. So I went ahead to use a candle, which will be the next clip. Candle wasn't really smooth, but it worked for me. So I'm using the hair mousse to like give it a sleek down finishing. That's after I had dipped the hair inside hot water. So I'm showing you guys how I did my baby hair. Guys, this ventilating needle is the truth. If you're still using the old type of ventilating needle, please stop. It's so soft to the hand, it's not heavy. Even if it falls down, it doesn't break easily because it's wood and it's very, very light. I am doing the baby hair. The pattern is still the way I was ventilating the lace. I am trimming the excess hair for the baby hair, and after that I went ahead to use hair wax to achieve the baby hair. And I'm using my foundation shade to tint the lace to my skin tone. You can see the difference between the parts I had applied the foundation and the parts I have not applied the foundation. This is it after applying the foundation. So I'm just going to I added a elastic band too to give it like fitting to my head size. Guys, this is the hair, guys, oh my goodness, you can pack it anyhow. That's why I love Frontal. It's like giving scalp. I'm just going to trim the lace now, and I'll be right back showing you guys how I trim the lace. Make sure not to cut off your baby hair, because why would you cut off baby hairs when you've already done it? Like, think about it. So yeah, also have to take your time, do it in a zigzag motion. And yes, I'm trimming the excess lace that I feel doesn't need to be there, and now I am fitting it into my head. So I wanted to do like a glueless install, but the way the ear tab were, they were not agreeing with me. So I went ahead to put the God to be, it was still not staying. So I'm using my hair wax to get my baby hairs. After then, I'm going to be using my Hair by Any lace glue. I put a little amount to my ear tab, then you let it clear before you put down your lace. Guys, this glue is one of the best glue I've ever used. It's too good. Then after this, I'm going to be redoing my baby hairs. That's the ear tab, to make sure everything is okay. Then I'm using my elastic band to make sure the baby hair stays down and doesn't move. Then I'm going ahead to press it down to like just give it a little bit of security. Yeah, so I'm going to remove it now. And guys, can you see this hair is giving scalp? Spell scalp in capital letter, that's what it's giving. Then I'm dapping my blending foam with my foundation, with my powder, sorry, to like give it a more natural looking shade. And yeah, this is basically how it's done, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I did that. Like, I'm so proud of myself. So I'm just going to come up close so you guys can see. I'm not playing, it's giving scalp. So guys, I own a hair page which is A Touch of Mercy. I post more hair related videos there, so you can do well to just follow me over there. Guys, one thing I love about Frontal wigs is that it's so versatile. You can style it anyhow you deem fit, and I'm just like playing around with the different hairstyles I think I can achieve. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so happy. If you've gotten to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't let me tell you again to please subscribe, share to your friends to come and see the wonders I have done again. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, be safe and be happy, guys. Bye.